All right, so let's go over how to find what your website address is for your Facebook URL to be able to put inside of your profile. So right here, all you're going to do is come into facebook.com. On this left-hand panel, you're going to drop this down. You're going to go to a tab called Pages. This will tell you all the businesses that you manage inside of there. You click on the one that you want to go to. This should be the URL up here. For some reason, this website address is not here and it does not have a custom name at the end of that. What you're going to do is you can go into this, or you can go into settings, and it'll take you into all the settings pieces right here. And you can change over your username right here for your group page or your business page. If this type of video helps you and you find this useful, definitely like us, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. My name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, and this is just to show you how to pull your Facebook website address so you can list it inside of your profile within the platform. If you have any questions, let us know. We will continue doing videos like this.